Imagine this, the world as we know it, collapsing. Wars, natural disasters, economic crashes. But there's one thing that keeps running through your mind. While the world is crumbling above, what if you could survive below? Seems like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, think again. The rich and powerful are secretly investing millions of dollars into underground bunkers. And while some people might say it's just paranoia, the truth could be far more unsettling. Today, we're diving into the real reason elites are building these doomsday shelters. And it's not what you think. Before we get into the why, let's talk about the how. These aren't your typical bomb shelters or fallout bunkers. We're talking about multi-million-dollar state-of-the-art facilities buried deep beneath the earth, designed to withstand everything from nuclear war to societal collapse. In fact, some of these bunkers come with features like hydroponic farms, air filtration systems, and even luxury suites for those who want to survive in style. But why go to such extreme lengths? The first thing to understand is that these shelters are not just for end-of-the-world scenarios. While nuclear fallout, pandemics, and natural disasters are real threats, these elites are investing in bunkers for something much more strategic: power. Let's face it, if you were one of the richest people in the world, you might start to worry about the stability of society. The growing wealth gap, political unrest, and the increasing unpredictability of the global economy all create a perfect storm for potential chaos. So, what's a billionaire to do? Build an insurance policy, an underground fortress where they can ride out the storm, literally and figuratively. Consider this. One of the most infamous bunker builders, the company Vivos, claims to have sold over 100 luxury shelters around the world. These aren't just any shelters. Some of these bunkers cost upwards of $35 million, and we're not talking about a few canned goods and a flashlight. These are fully stocked with food, water, and medical supplies, designed to last for years. One notable example is the Doomsday Ranch in Kansas. For a cool $1.7 million, you can purchase your very own underground home that features everything from a theater room to a private gym, all protected by miles of solid rock. The idea: live like royalty while the world above burns. But it's not just about surviving disasters. The real secret to these bunkers might have something to do with control. The world of the elite isn't just about wealth, it's about managing the future. And these underground shelters offer a strategic position to maintain that control when the surface world begins to spiral out of control. We've seen this trend grow over the last few decades, especially with the rise of technology and surveillance. But it's not just about survival. It's about ensuring that when the time comes, you have access to resources and power, while everyone else fights for scraps. In fact, a lot of these shelters are built in areas that are geographically remote, away from densely populated cities and potential targets of conflict. In the event of a societal collapse, these elites wouldn't just be surviving, they'd be positioned to rebuild the world. But there's a darker side to this. As the rich prepare for the worst, what about the rest of us? Is this growing trend of underground bunkers a reflection of an impending breakdown in society? And should we be worried that, rather than planning for global cooperation and rebuilding, the powerful are simply preparing for a new world order, one where they are the rulers and the rest of us are left to fend for ourselves? The fact is, these elite bunkers are a symbol of something much bigger, a growing divide between the rich and everyone else. When the rich prepare for a disaster, it raises a crucial question. Are they preparing for a survival scenario? Or are they already planning to control what happens next? So the next time you hear about billionaires building underground bunkers, don't just think it's all about paranoia or doomsday fantasies. These shelters are far more than just survivalist luxuries. They're strategic investments in control, power, and influence. And while they may be digging deeper into the earth, the rest of us can only wonder, how deep will this divide go?